Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Venice and I make videos about my travels and life here in Japan. Before we start, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my blog site at www.veniceaka.com for updates on my latest contents. In this video, I'll be going through a few tips on how to use Japanese public baths, do a quick hotel room tour, and I'll be giving you a brief insight on how it's like to stay in a Japanese onsen hotel. Isawa Tokiwa Hotel is located in Fuefuki City in Yamanashi Prefecture, just an hour and 25 minutes drive from central Tokyo. The city is rich in natural hot spring water and is famous for its vineyards, beaches, and of course onsen hotels. We stayed in a standard Japanese room with a toilet, bath, and other amenities. As you may notice, after entering the room, there's another door that leads to a tatami room, which is the main room. Tatami refers to a traditional floor material used in Japan. It's basically a mat made of straw and I find it really comfortable sleeping on. This is a standard design for traditional Japanese-style hotels, or as they call it, ryokans. The room also has this area where you may sit, drink tea, and enjoy the view. On the side is a small pantry where the mini fridge and items for making tea are placed. The green tea is free and is really refreshing. Being situated in Fuefuki City, the hotel uses onsen water or natural hot spring water from underground for its public baths, and it's believed to have health benefits but is not recommended for people with certain health conditions like high blood pressure and heart disease or even expecting mothers. It is always good to check with your physician first. The baths are commonly separated by gender, and here in Isawa Tokiwa Hotel, they even place multilingual guidelines for using the baths, which is very helpful for foreign tourists like us. There are 4 steps indicated in the sign. Number 1, remove all your clothes before entering the bathing room. You may place it inside the baskets provided inside the changing room. Number 2, wash your body before dipping into the bath. There are no separate shower rooms, so you basically sit here and wash yourself. Number 3, relax and soak in the bath. Take note that you're not supposed to submerge or let your hair touch the bath water. It's considered rude. The water temperature also ranges around 42 degrees Celsius, so the maximum soaking time recommended is 5 minutes. If you stay longer than this, you might feel a bit tingly or dizzy. Just before entering the changing room, number 4, make sure to wipe off your excess water from your body to avoid dripping water all over the place. There are also a few lists of not-to-dos on the signboard, like washing your clothes or hair in the bath, dipping the towel in the water, or drinking alcohol, and so on. For more tips and guidelines for using public bathhouses in Japan, please visit my blog post at www.veniceaka.com, which I'll be linking on the description box below. The room packages also comes with traditional Japanese breakfast and dinner, and this is what it looks like. We also visited a few nearby places like the Kofu Castle in Kofu. And the Shingen Mochi Factory theme park. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and see you again soon on my next video. Goodbye!